got your turn real good. That music sounds incredible.
Yeah, Roger, on that, y'all had this neutralized too, man. They had it lined up. At first, the big area was out of sync with the receive, so I got that all lined up and everything, for sure. But I'm talking out the back of this one. I ain't talking at the front of it. I'm talking at the back side of it. Is that Roger?
You know, about 410 in the back side of 42 key down, say,
Skip rolling in there good.
Back up and running one day, but
that's a local.
Oh, no pity had me thinking about a Flex or an A9, so.
And the other guy with the deep voice is on a FT101E, which I just picked up one. So hope to get mine to sound like that.
27 downtown Detroit. I'm 10-7. You gentlemen have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh, get out of the way, man, because some of the boys will follow me up in Challenge 20. They want to play it. I ain't got time to play. But they have fun with me, and I know they do. And I'm telling you the hard and some of them fun, done what they done. But don't get on that. I said somebody behind you, but I don't know if that was 42.
Yeah, it looked like the Skip covering him up. I had some beautiful audio.
I don't know if that was Moses or not, but 13, I was talking to 20 Shum out of Detroit, man. You coming out of that also. Hey, 13, round pimp shit out of Detroit. Look at me, man. Hey, 13, round Detroit. I'm talking to you. Hey, 13, take your teams on shit talking. Wait. Stay too long. Yeah, you did it twice. Hey, Moses, 42 bun down. You were off the mall the last time you keyed, but while you was on the mall, Moses, on 42 told me to tell you don't stay too long.
It looked like I missed it.
Hey, 42, I passed it the way you rode it. 27 in Detroit, get down.
Hey, 27.
There he is. Covered him up. That Moses guy, he sounds like Moses too. Yeah, no, he said he was on the FT101E. Talking to a big boy local, 27. Just listening on a Tram Titan 4 with a few hi-fi mods in it. Not modded too much, don't need too much. And then on a external speaker, I got like a big 8-inch speaker in that old sewing box. It gives it a nice tone to it. I don't know if the audio's coming through very well on this. Just a plain old Sony camcorder with, there he is. Boy, that Moses sounds awesome. Gonna make me hurry up and get my FT101E ready. He gets in there and out too. Anyway, just a Sony camcorder, built-in mics, recording on, nothing special. That's gonna be it for this one.